Good Zampo and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Today I am going to show you how to fix a problem that is found in my stand fan out here. So the problem out here is with the buttons out here, the regulator buttons out here. So we have the regulator buttons out here, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So the problem here is with these two buttons. Right now if I try to use this button, only number 3 button is working. So if I try to press number 1 and 2, this two switch get stuck, or it is very difficult to press it. It is very hard, it gets stuck. So it is very difficult to use these two. These two buttons are getting stuck. So I'm going to try out fixing these two buttons now. To start with, I have two helpers out here. Right now they are busy with the pizza prepared by their mom. They have got Maggie pizza out here. As soon as they have completed their pizza, they are going to help me. One of them are going to become my cameraman, another they are going to become she is going to become my assistant. Okay, firstly to start, we have to remove this sheet with the help of this screw. You have to loosen this screw first of all, then you have to remove this. So now in order to remove this button switch, we have to unscrew these screws. We have around 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the help of a screwdriver. So I have removed the half part of the out here, so which has the switch out here. We have buttons out here, button switch. So I have removed this part. So I have to remove this part. This part is the button part. In order to remove this, you have to again remove or unscrew these two screws, one out here and out here. So I have removed this button switch. 0, 1, 2, 3. So now in order to check this one, so maybe this is due to the rust inside. I could see some of the rust out here. So maybe because of that rust, buttons are getting stuck. So we have one lock out here. So and we have got another 2 locks out here. So let us start to remove this. So finally I could remove the button part and the switch part. So I have got this one, button part. The main problem is out here. Seems like there is some scratch mark over here. Seems like there is some scratches over here. Maybe due to the scratches, the buttons are getting stuck out here. So I'm going to fix it, or I'm going to scratch it more, make it smooth. Now I have finally finished cleaning it now with the help of this screwdriver itself. Let us try to fix it again.